What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kevin Collins, and I'm back with another trade recap for this week. Okay, for this week, the first week of December, the first trade for this month that I took. So let me walk you guys through on the trade recap on what I took. So we all know that BTC USD is going to 100k. We all know that BTC USD is going to 100k, and most people are saying that BTC is not going to go to 100k, stuff like that. But we all personally know that BTC is going to 100k. And guess what, guys? I was able to back BTC up and take BTC to 100k, guys. So let me walk you guys through on conferences I saw and made before taking most of my particular setups on BTC and other pairs. So let me head over to um my chats. Okay, so I have a personal WhatsApp group, like my own personal WhatsApp group, where I share my setups with myself, what I see before taking that particular trade, and what I see before taking that particular setups. So I have few of my friends that they are in my personal WhatsApp group of me, just my personal WhatsApp group where I share my setup, because I am the only one sending messages there. I am the only one dropping my setups. So I have these friends there just checking out what I do, and sometimes they have to share their own setups in case I'm not marking out some zones, or in case if I'm trying to buy from liquidity points, they still have to correct me that I am buying from the liquidity point. So that's why I just have this kind of friends around me that will be watching the market and at least be making money from the forex market, guys. So let me walk you guys on BTC. Let me start with BTC. So I said I said I said let's wait for BTC here. Mind, guys, the lower time frame on 15 minutes that has the liquidity sweep. Okay, there's a liquidity sweep for the lower time frame, which is also reflecting on the 1 hour time frame. So that has the liquidity sweep didn't mitigate it, only mitigate the 1 hour time frame demand, and probably my refinement made me miss this trade. Now, valid zone that BTC is going up and reacts from any key level, that is any key level, which is the 15 minutes time frame and any other stuff like that. So I told my guys that at this supply zone here that I told my guys that at this supply zone here, price BTC is going to sell. BTC sold at this point here, because what are the conferences that I saw that BTC is going to sell? First of all, I saw this liquidity sweep. I saw this fair value gap, liquidity sweep that broke structure. I saw this fair value gap and trendline liquidity, which also has this more like inducement, and there's a supply zone here. So BTC came up here and start selling. Start selling to what? This is our point of interest where we are going to buy from. You get? So let me show you guys the conferences. So conferences to buy BTC was a change of character, multiple breaks of structure, fair value gap, liquidity above the POI. This is the change of character. This is the liquidity. This is the multiple breaks of structure, guys. Why I know that BTC is going to buy, price gave a change of character, multiple breaks of structure, and guess what? A liquidity above the POI. So price came back, sweeping that liquidity, tapping into our zone, and what? Straight to 100k, guys. BTC went straight to 100k. Okay, okay. I think I have one of my friend that I have one of my friend that took this risk. Like, what I mean risk, I mean price has already gone far away, and the guy felt like risking and joining to enter the trade. I told him that if price make a pullback, that he should get in the BTC buy. But guess what, guys? This guy entered the BTC, like price did not even make the pullback, but this guy literally just went all in and traded this BTC, because he also does not want to miss this ride to 100k for real. So this was when I was showing him, but at least you should have taken it. Okay, he trades synthetic, but this is the BTC, guys. This is the BTC where I was able to catch the buy going to 100k. Okay, so I told him that if price makes a pullback, if price gets to this point and makes the pullback, he should start selling. He should start buying. But guess what? Price did not even make the pullback, but still yet my bro, my G, also bought at this point. So he asked me, can he enter? So I told him with a voice note that no, he cannot buy BTC at that point. So he said he was not active, so he shared me his own setups that me and I too have to look out for, but I don't trust authentic. So guess what? The guy made $30 on that BTC and he showed me the screenshot. So I said to him that thank God we made money, at least we made money. So that's for that on BTC. That's for that on BTC, guys. See, I said I surprised you took the risk. I was even surprised that he went in. So he said we take risk every day. That aside, guys, let me go to other pairs which I analyze and show you guys the confluences I see before taking this particular setups. So back to, let's go to XAUSD because I was able to back XAUSD with massive profit, guys. I was able to back XAUSD with massive profit. Okay, I think this is the setup. Let me head over there. Okay, so now on XAUSD on 1 hour time frame, guys, what are the confluences I saw that XAUSD is going to buy? What are the confluences? First of all, I saw that price is in a series of liquidity, more like a trend line from the 2 hours time frame. I can clearly remember that. And also I see that there is a series of price mitigations and what series of break of structure. Look at the confluences. XAUSD setup 1 hour. I have a series of sorry guys, I have a series of demand mitigations. I have liquidity below the demand zone. I have multiple breaks of structure to the upside, and I also have a trend line liquidity from the 2 hours time frame, guys. And the point of interest is refined on the 50 minutes time frame. And this is it, guys. These are the multiple breaks of structure. These are the multiple breaks of structure, multiple mitigations to the upside, and this is more like the liquidity resting above this point of interest. And guess what, guys? Price came back, gave me a sniper shot at that point, and guess what? Price reacted massively. This is it. This is it. So price swept is not trying to load it. Okay, so price swept the low, tapping me in, and what price was moving massively to the upside, and I smashed TP on XAUSD, guys. I smashed TP on XAUSD. That was a nice one. That was a nice one on XAUSD. And also, let me walk you guys through on US30. So on US30 setup, what did I see? So this is the result of US30, but let me take you guys to the setup, to the setups and the confluences I saw that yes, I will be selling the retracements. Okay, because whenever we are trying to sell retracement, you should be very much like you should be very careful selling the retracement, because the retracements can really like go against us more like that, because it's obvious it's more like retracement. But now, what are the confluences that I see that I'm going to take US30 retracement to the demand zone before I can buy? Okay, so what did I say? I saw I said buying US30 still valid, but let's see if you can take the retracement to the demand level. So what are the factors that I see that I'm going to take that retracement? First of all, I saw a liquidity sweep, I saw an equal high, I saw an fair value gap, I saw a change of character, I saw an unmitigated zone, and I also saw an entry time frame on 5 minutes. So guys, this is it. So this is the liquidity sweep that came back to tap into this zone. This is the change of character, this is the equal high, this is the fair value gap, and this is the unmitigated zone. And guess what, guys? Price came back to that zone, respected it, and what gave a massive push to the downside. Gave a massive push to the downside. But guess what, guys? It is retracement, and it was trying to go against me, but I was able to exit that trade with no loss. Okay, I was able to take my stop loss to my entry point, so it was risk-free trade, though it went against me, but still yet I was able to like secure a good result on that, guys. This was it. So this was the US30. This was the equal high unmitigated zone. But anyways, that's for US30. Let's try to analyze let me try and tell you how I lost XAUSD today, like how I lost XAUSD yesterday. So this morning I woke up this morning, and I saw that XAUSD moved massively to the upside. Like when like sometimes I do come across videos of most people saying I'm trading with the most smartest people on the earth that are trying to take my money from me. Now, this is the reason why people this is the reason why people do say that. Okay, now on XAUSD, what did I see that price is going to buy at that point? That because I've seen that same setup. See, this is what I said, guys. This is what I said. I said so painful. Price came back to the origin that that gave multiple mitigations and moved massively. So what are the things I note from after hitting stop loss on this XAUSD was that there were a lot of liquidity resting below, and it was a trend line liquidity point. I started buying from, not from the origin that caused the origin that caused the break of structure. So this is the origin that what caused these old mitigations. But guess what? I saw the liquidity resting below, but on the 1 hour time frame, the zone has been mitigated. That was why I was not paying too much attention to this mitigated. Now look at this zone here. Price came here, mitigate this zone, move to the upside, breaking structure. That was why I was not looking to like take the buy. If you check this point, guys, my stop loss was just right below here. So price was pushing to the upside, deceiving me that it's going in profit. But guess what? It came down, sweeping me out, and this morning I woke up, I just saw my chart like so crazily to the upside. So very crazily to the upside. So I hit stop loss on this. So I made the profit I made, like this last trade I took, which was on Thursday, took half of the profit away. So I'm still balanced on the forex market right now. Okay, so I don't trade on Fridays. I'm supposed to like outlook the market today, but I don't trade on Fridays. I don't trade on Mondays. Sometimes I just have to make my analysis on Monday, but on Fridays I don't trade on Friday, guys. Okay, because Fridays are most times not really what I see. Although there is a news like major news like on Friday today, but still yet I don't think I'll be trading on Friday because it's not one of my rules, guys. I'll just try to stick to my rules. I'll just try to stick to my rules. So kudos to the champ that ride with me. We made profits and lost the profits. Capital stay intact. We made account to zero. So some of us lost our funds. Some of us made profit. Some of us lost the profit. More like that. So there are some setups that I want to walk you guys through again. But if you guys want to see more of my setups and conferences I made, because there are some other trades I took like USD card, Euro USD, yeah. But I just want to show you guys XAUSD, BTC, and US30, just more of those trades I took. So if you guys want to see more of content like this, me showing my strategy before and after, then you guys should smash the subscribe button and turn on post notification to see more content like this. Ciao.